Good evening. Hi, I'm Don Oshman, Editor-in-Chief of Publisher of HideNet Publications. Thank you for watching tonight. I apologize. We're 24 hours late, or 26 or 28 hours late through my fault. So I apologize to those of you who are waiting with bated breath to hear what I have to say. Anyhow, the market was kind of on bated breath this week in all sectors in South America, Europe, and North America. In Brazil, prices the prices were basically steady. TR1 now has been rumored to be down to 80 cents, even below 80 cents. But meanwhile, some sales are still going on at 85 cents, 83 cents, somewhere in there. And again, the beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Vis-a-vis some tanners' production is worth more than another tanner. And some people's TR2 they call TR1 and vice versa. But by and large, the market is, I would say, 85, 90 cents, maybe 90, 95. I don't think about 90. 90 would be a big price today. In Argentina, raw hides are down 5 cents. First time that market's happened in a long time, but kills are heavy, and that's expected to continue for a while. Paraguay, the market remains quiet and steady. Argentina's slaughter, I just said, was down, but it's been heavy now in April, down in March, heavy in April. In Brazil, March leather exports were down to 24.8 cents. And the big news out of Brazil and out of the part of the world is Marfrig, which was the second largest slaughterhouse behind JBS, bought National Beef, which is the fourth largest slaughterer meat packer in America. And now Marfrig will be still second to JBS, which is bigger. But this is a major move from Marfrig, and they're getting into the packing house. They had closed a bunch of plants at one time and sold them at JBS, in fact, some years ago. But now they're coming back, taking advantage of what they think is JBS's weakness, and expanding, and to have National Beef is a big deal for them. And National Beef has a tannery, a wet blue plant, I think, which can do 50,000 hides a week if it was at full capacity. So that's a big thing for Marfrig. That's the big news. Also, we hear that Uruguay increased the import of Mexican footwear to 43%, and footwear companies are trying to strengthen the market in Central America, and Mexico is getting aggressive, trying to relaunch their footwear for international consumption promotion. In Europe this week, Andrea Guolo says that prices have held. That's good news because everybody thought they'd go down. Cows 25 kilos and up from North Germany were euros $1.05 to $1.10, and Southern Germany up to euros $1.85. Let me emphasize that these are tidbits. These are little things that you need to read the whole report to get the stories behind these headlines I'm giving you. They really are headlines. Brazilian TR1 can be bought for 80 cents in Europe, and bulls are firm from Europe with some margin for increase because of automotive, of course. So prices were generally stable. The little increase for heifers, but as Andrea reports, morale is low. And it's very interesting about what happened in Europe this week, because as we go to North America, prices were mixed. Heavy Texas steers actually rose about $1, but the heavy native steers and butts declined $1. So it's mixed. Some were up, some were down. And the sales volume improved marginally. And it's the third straight week, according to the United States Department of Agriculture, that sales exceeded slaughter. Also, there was a lot of stuff because PETA, P-E-T-A, wrote to a couple of dictionary companies saying vegan leather should be allowed in the dictionary. Well, it's a classic oxymoron. There's no such thing as vegan leather. It's leather, or it's plastic, or it's made out of vegetables. So the United States Cotton Leather and Leather Naturally has written letters to these dictionary companies saying, you can't call anything vegan leather. You can't call it faux leather. Either it's leather or it's not leather. Also, there's a report in this week's issue of drought in the Midwest, and the drought intensifies in the Southwest. That could be good or bad because it'll prompt the ranchers to bring their cattle to market sooner than later because they can't have enough water for them. Export sales were 725,500. The total sales were almost 800,000 this week, including domestic consumption. So that's pretty positive. At the same time, prices went down. So read our U.S. Weekend Report, read our Latin American report, read our This Week in Leather report, or all these reports, and get the whole scoop behind the markets. And you think, and you do know what your markets are because you're buying and selling, but it's better to have somebody else who has reporters all over telling you in your subscription to HideNet what's going on in addition to what you know, so you'll be that much smarter. Also, we have in market observations this week in the U.S. Week in Review, questions and answers. Why is the market as it is, and where is this going? And we tell why we think that's going to be. That's it for tonight, or for today. Again, I'm sorry we're a day late, but we're not $1 short. HideNet.com. Try us. You'll like us. Bye.